Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix X Are You a Robot. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So while you are entering or changing your password, or for some reason you are having a captcha that is asking you to verify are you a robot or not, and for some cases if you try to complete the captcha and you are not being able to verify are you a robot, then what you need to do is just go back and then tap on App Store. Here's on the search bar, simply type in X and then tap on search, and here tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. Now go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on show all, and once you tap on show all, here scroll down and then tap on X. Once you're inside X, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs that is present in the app. And once the offload app is complete, instead of upload app you'll have an reinstall app option, simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye.